MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, TireRack.com, and Haggerty.
Two things your neighbor might use as a status symbol are an in-ground pool and a luxury SUV. In either case, everyone wants to hop in. Cadillac is making a big splash with the 2025 Escalade IQ, which we took for a quick spin in San Francisco. The IQ looks huge, but at the same time smooths out some of the Escalade's squared-off bodywork for better aero, back to the sloping rear roof. Behind the metal is a super plush cabin that would look at home in almost any luxury brand. The 55-inch front display is the main centerpiece, with the large fixed glass roof a close second. A massive 200 kilowatt-hour battery powers the E all-wheel drive system for an estimated 465 miles. When the occasion calls for speed over efficiency, the VMAX button surges output to 750 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque, though the normal 680 horsepower, 615 pound-feet is still plenty. Adaptive air ride suspension and magnetic ride control keeps things compliant, reminiscent of other Ultium-based GMs we've driven.
The Escalade IQ shares many components with the Hummer EV and the Silverado EV, but its equipment and features really make it distinctly a Cadillac, meaning here it prioritizes luxury, comfort, design, technology, and safety. For instance, four-wheel steering is used here more for maneuverability when changing lanes smoothly or parking. The turning circle is actually just 1.5 feet longer than a Chevy Bolt.
The 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ starts around $130,000. That's a lot of dough, but as we know, the finer things in life don't come cheap, and the Escalade IQ is finer than many. And we'll have more quick spins soon.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.